Welcome to May month unboxing video. It's a special month of Mother's Day. And yes, how about pampering with our superstar?
Superstar for this May month is this microwavable bowl set. So I'm showcasing the main superstar for this May month. And yes, this is my May month unboxing video. And the superstar is really excited to show a lot of benefits for you also. Isn't that great? Many of you were asking a lot of questions about the microwavable steel bowl 3-in-1 gift set, which we are getting it exclusively from Oriflame. So I'm making a quick video. So some of your questions would be answered. These bowl set comes from 900, 1350 ml and 2000 ml. As I see from the market prices and the ml, this is far better and increased and more user friendly also, I can say. So it has a nice mirror finish. This is the first bowl with 900 ml and this is the second one 1350 and this is 2000 ml. And yes, you also get the caps, but see that you don't use the caps when you are doing the microwave. And you want more questions to be answered, you can also check here directly from the box. It is microwave safe and yes, it suits our fast lifestyle, especially for me, I can say, and keeps fresh for a long time. Interior mirror finish, you could have seen my face itself as I was taking this video. It was nice mirror finish, clean, dishwasher safe, and it's easy to maintain, store, mixing, serving, and also of course for gifting. And see that you use it for reheating, not for cooking, because it takes out a lot of time. That's what I have learned. It has 2 coats, and generally if we use plastic for microwave heating or cooking, it's not good for our health also. But steel is neutral and it's actually good. It will take more time, so it's better you use for reheating. And if not, it's not that harmful. You can use even refrigerate. It has high food grade quality steel and microwavable also. So a great opportunity to get this bowl at $299 or $399 each if you are doing it for 100 points or 150 points now in May month. And along with this superstar, I have also got one more superstar, the anniversary collection bag. Do note, these all I have got it on commitment that I have to do the targets. Only then I can claim it at $299 or $399, and I'm sure I will do it. And the bowl set target I have already done on that commitment basis for senior managers above exclusive offer. So here you have the pouch. It's really beautiful. A beige handle, a bigger handle. Yes, there are pockets, zips available also. It's good. White suits all dresses, western or even eastern. So let us check out the microwave bowls in the microwave oven now. Larger bowl just to show you in the microwave. And do note, this Samsung microwave is also a gift opportunity from Oriflame. So most of my kitchen gadgets are from Oriflame only, and now this is the added beauty of the microwavable steel bowl. Isn't it good? Very attractive and show off also if guests are coming out. And gifts are just adding up in my kitchen. Yes, you can see here my mixie is from Oriflame, food processor is from Oriflame. Yes, coffee maker also I purchased from Oriflame. Easy to gain all this if you are focusing on your wellness. The pencils a lot. The one high impact eye pencil, the one I am showing here is soft mahogany 36549, because it is very easy to apply the eyeshadow, long stay, smudge proof, self sharpening, and shimmer is really good. This is what I have applied also, not to miss for this. So this I got it for just 1 rupee. Would you believe it? And this is for the last time I'm getting the peach perfector. In fact, I have got order for that also, but I'm getting it for 1 rupee now. And these are the products I've got for 50 plus 20%, 70% off. Diamond cream is for one of my customers. She's a loyal user of diamond cream for many years, and yes, since it was also in offer, she wanted it. but I took it up for 70% off, so I am getting extra profit of another 600 rupees from the usual 20% off, because I did 200 points. And even I have picked up the HairX Advanced Color Shampoo. Since I color my hair, it prevents hair color from fading, and only I have to do root touch-ups. So in this pandemic, I have stopped going to the salon for root touch-up. I do it myself, the hair coloring. But I use this shampoo, so I would not have to color the whole length of the hair, and I get it at 70% off due to my work. And also I picked up the Giordani Gold Master Creation Foundation SPF 18, as this is what I use. And I like it because it not only takes improving the skin tone when we take pics, but also it cares for the skin with its mineral extracts. So whenever I pick up products, I see that it has multiple benefits. So all these products, also I'm getting a discounts. And yes, for sponsoring also I have got the blue small handbag. So as you see, all these I have got as in the form of gifts and bonuses. And though I had paid 5,500 with great discounts on even the well-being set, which is getting me at 25% off than the usual 20%, and easy 140 points towards this also, easily 160 points or so I have made from this. And yes, these are the gifts that I have got just for those products. So almost the amount I have invested on this, I am getting cash back. In fact, I am also eligible for the Rohit Bal clutch, which I have already been taken. So this is how I am making lot of savings and also improving my beauty and also improving my health.
Soft mahogany on my hand so that you can see clearly. It's been very soft and very smooth, also easy to apply. And as I said, it's being long stay. I can even use it as an eyeshadow or like kajal, like eyeliner. So that is the reason I picked it up at great offer now.